Hello, everyone, and welcome to the second video on how to graph lines. If you haven't already, please make sure you complete homework number 9.1. And if you're struggling on this, do that homework first and watch the video with that homework. I'm going to assume you've already watched that video and just go over a few more examples of how to graph lines. So here we've got the line y equals negative 8x plus 2. How are we graphing this? Well, let's write out the equation a bit bigger so it's easier to see. Y equals negative 8x plus 2. Let's find the y-intercept. That's going to be 2. So we can go ahead and write that the y-intercept is 2. And let's find the slope. Oops, I didn't want to turn that red. Let's find the slope. That's the number with the x, negative 8. So we'll go ahead and say that the slope is negative 8. Now we want to write it as a fraction, so we're going to write this as negative 8 over 1. So now for graphing, we always begin with the y-intercept, which means we need to start at 2. So we find 2 on the y-axis, not going side to side, always the y-axis. That's why it's called the y-intercept. And then the slope is negative 8, which means down 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And over 1. We still go to the right, even though it's negative. We always go to the right. It's just the negative tells us up or down. And there you go. One example done. Let's look at another one. Y equals 4x minus 3. So we first want to identify the y-intercept. Where does the line begin? B is 3, but important to note, it's got a negative before it. It's a minus 3, so that means it's negative 3. We put our first point there. Look up at our equation again. The slope is 4 as a fraction, that is 4 over 1. Write that down if it's helpful. So we're going to go from our starting point. We always start at the y-intercept, up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Some people, what they want to do is they want to go to like 4 and 1, but that's not what we do. We start at the y-intercept, we go up 4 and over 1. And that is our line. Let's do one more. Actually, let's skip to the next level and then do one more. Same kinds of questions. 1/5 x plus 5. What is the y-intercept? Of course, it is positive 5. So we go find that. The slope, 1 over 5, both positive. So we don't go to 1 over 5. We start at our y-intercept at the first point we made. We go up 1 and then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About that point, click submit, boom, done. Hope that's helpful. If not, send me an email, talk to me in class, and have a great day. Bye-bye.